Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by choosing your media and locating Instagram's gallery audio. First, pick the photos or clips you want, up to 10 items, then tap Add Audio or Music. If you don't see the option, make sure the app is updated and you're on the correct account. Some business or creator accounts see different controls. Once the audio picker opens, you search to find a track or browse for you. This step lets you match tempo and mood before final edits, so don't rush it. Now focus on choosing the exact segment that complements your gallery. Search or browse, then preview options, tap to hear and mark a start point. Use the waveform to drag the clip to match visuals, trim so key beats land on image transitions. Make sure to adjust volume. Lower the music if your video has important ambient audio, or mute original sound if the track should dominate. Once done, listen through the full gallery playback to confirm timing. Complete your gallery by adding captions, tags, and any accessibility captions, then preview the entire post. When you tap Share, Instagram attaches the audio attribution automatically. Make sure it appears if the track requires credit. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart of the app, switch to a different network, or remove and re-add the audio. Make sure the song isn't restricted in your region or by copyright. Otherwise, pick an alternative clip or use Instagram's royalty-free tracks to avoid removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.